Now let us try to solve some questions based on the loops. Here we are starting with the do while loop. So the question is, we have to predict the output of the program. Means if we run this program on the machine, then what is the expected output? To solve such questions, we start from the declaration of the variables. Here we have int a, b and c, three variables. So we shall write this way: a, b and c. Okay, next a equals to 10, so we shall put the value of a equals to 10. So b equals to 20, we are putting the value of b equals to 20 and c equals to 25, right? Now we have do while loop. Okay, as we know that in case of do while loop, we start from the first instruction that is the part of the do while loop. So system.out.println a plus b. So 10 plus 20 equals to 30. And we are using the system.out.println statement. So 30 is printed. Okay. Now we have if control structure. It is given that if a modulus 2 equals to 0, means if the current value, if we divide the current value of a by 2 and if the remainder equals to 0, then we have to execute these set of statements, right? Three statements are given here. So a, the value of a is 10, and 10 modulus 2 means if we divide 10 by 3, 2, so 2 5s are 10, the remainder is 0. So 0 equals to 0, it's true. So we have to execute these three statements. System.out.println c, the current value of c equals to 25, so 25 is printed. Now b minus equals to 2. What does it mean? It is arithmetic assignment operator. B minus equals to 2. It means that b minus equals to 2 means b equals to b minus 2. Means subtract 2 from the current value of b. So the b is 20. So 20 minus 2 equals to be 18. So the current value of b is 18. And c equal to c plus 3 means add 3 to the current value of c. So it will be 28. Okay. Now, as these statements have been executed, so it will go to the next statement. So a minus equals to 3 means subtract 3 from the current value of a. So 10 is the current value of a, and if we subtract 3 from the 10, we get 7. So the current value of a becomes 7. Now this conditional expression or the testing expression is checked. Now while a is greater than or equal to 1 means the current value of a equals to 7. So 7 is greater than or equal to 1. It is true. If it is true, then what will happen is it again will go on executing these set of statements until this condition becomes false. So it is true. So it will print system.out.println a plus b. So the value of a is, current value of a is 7 and b is 18. So 7 plus 18, it comes out to be 25. 25. Okay. Now if a modulus 2 equals to 0, now a is 7, and if we divide 7 by 2, so 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1. So 1 is the remainder. This is the result of a modulus 2. So 1 equals to 0. It is false. If it is false, then these set of statements will not be executed, and it will jump to the next statement, that is a minus equals to 3. So 7 minus 3 equals to, it is now 4. Okay, now it will again check for this condition while a is greater than or equal to 1. Now the current value of a equals to 4 and 4 is greater than or equal to 1. It is true. Then again it will go for the execution of these set of statements. Now system.out.println a plus b. Now the value of a equals to 4 and b equals to 18. So 4 plus 18, it will be 22. Then again it will check for this condition. Now a modulus 2 means 4 modulus 2 means if we divide 4 by 2, the remainder is 0. It is true. Then it will execute these set of statements, and the current value of c equals to 28. So 28 is printed, and b minus 2 equals to, b minus equals to 2 means b equals to b minus 2. Subtract 2 from the current value of b. So it is 18. Then it will be now 16. And c equals to c plus 3 means add 3 to the current value of c. So it will be 31. Okay. Now a minus equals to 3. A minus equals to 3 means subtract 3 from the current value of a. Or you can say a equals to a minus 3. So it will be 4 minus 3 equals to 1. Means the current value of a is 1. Then put it here while a is greater than or equal to 1. 1 is greater than or equal to 1. It is true. Again it will go for the execution of this set of statements. Then system.out.println a plus b. A is now 1 and b is 16. So 1 plus 16 comes out to be 17. It is printed. And if a modulus 2 equals to 0 means 1 modulus 2, remainder is 1 equal to 0. It is false, so it will not be executed. These set of statements will not be executed. And a minus equal to 3, it will execute this statement. A minus equal to 3 means a equals to a minus 3. So 1 minus 3, it comes out to be minus 2. So if we put the current value of a, that is minus 2 is greater than or equal to 1, it is false. If it is false, then it will not execute these set of statements. These set of statements will not be executed if this condition becomes false. So the output that the program is expected to print is 30, 25, 25, 22, 28, 17. So while attempting such type of questions, we have to be familiar with the working of the loops. If we are familiar about the rules, then and only then we can attempt these questions. So such type of questions are generally asked by CBSE in the examination, and students have to be very careful while attempting these questions.